I want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out this awesome laundry basket. This does come in 6 different styles and colours. You're going to find something that's going to be perfect for you. It has an amazing 66 litre capacity, so very much a good week's worth of laundry if you need it to be. It's freestanding with reinforced sides, a reinforced base as well, which comes separately. It has a really handy velcroed lid, so if you do have people visiting or you don't want people seeing your laundry, you can keep it nice and closed and discreet. And when not in use, it is fully collapsible, so if you have completed your laundry, you can fold it away. Has really nice soft rope handles, which are removable if you don't want them, but they're really nice, and they're going to make carrying an absolute breeze. This is a really nice high quality laundry basket. I'm so pleased to have this. It's going to sit really nicely in your bedroom or your bathroom. It has a really nice textured feel. It's going to be stain resistant as well, and I think also it's going to be really easy to deodorize and keep fresh. I think it's a really great family friendly size as well, so one for your family or individual bedrooms as well. Overall, I think it's a really fantastic quality item. I'm really pleased to have it in my home. I think it's going to make a really great addition to everyone's home as well.